Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Dogelon Mars on Coinbase wallet. So the first thing you're going to want to do is obviously log into your Coinbase wallet. And then at the bottom in the center, you've got a browser. So it looks like a globe. If you just select that, then it's going to take you to this home page here. Okay, and then when you've come up to the URL, if you just type in there uniswap.org. Okay, and then just press go. Okay, so hopefully it will actually take you straight to the swap area on the web page. So here we can see we've got swap selected. Okay, and the next thing you're going to want to select is the gear icon just onto the right of the screen here. So we'll just select that. Okay, and then just under where you've got max slippage, if you just tap on auto, here we're going to type in 2%. Okay, and then once you're happy with that, you can then just simply cross out of that one. And then you can see up there, it's got the 2% next to the gear icon. Okay, so to make sure then that your ETH balance that is on display here, so we can see that's my balance at the moment. And then what we actually want to swap it with, if we select the pink button where it's got select token, and then you'll need to just search for it. So if you type in Elon, and it's going to be the first one that appears, so just select that top one. Okay, and then let's see how much we actually want to swap out. Okay, so I'm just going to do the smallest balance I can do for the moment. Okay, so I don't want to do my max balance. So that's about $3.41. And then that's what we're actually going to be buying in the Elon coin. Okay, so then when we're ready with that, if we just select swap, okay, and then what it'll next get you to do is confirm the swap so we can see that we've got our rate, the fee, and the network cost. Okay, so then if we did confirm swap, okay, it just wants you to confirm it again. So just happy that what you're actually buying or swapping over. Okay, and then that looks like it's all gone through. The swap's been successful. So we then view on the Explorer. Okay, we can see the transaction details. So if we actually then go back into our assets, we should be able to see now that we have, yeah, there we go. We can see now that we actually have some Dogelon Mars coins here on the Ethereum. Okay, and that's it. That is how to buy Dogelon Mars on Coinbase wallet.